Welcome everyone to the Coaster Spot. This is Alex. Today we're going to do a quick tour of all the more aquatic features of the MSC Meraviglia. On deck 16 and 17 you have the main pool. It has this awesome screen here that shows movie nights, or usually around 6 o'clock or something like that. You have the day beds there. Those are free, just first come, first serve. And then on deck 17 you have these amazing hot tubs that actually stick off the edge of the boat. Basically, you're like basically right over water. There's nothing. That's kind of scary to have the phone out right now, but yes, there we go. Today it's very cold. That's why there's no one here, because it is November and we're heading back up to New York from Bahamas, and I'll show you our next of the free included pools right behind the screen here. And here's our second pool, the bamboo pool, also on decks 16 and 17. Has this pool here, 2 hot tubs on deck 16, and then on deck 17 it has these cool little hot tubs that actually extend over the water or the edge of the ship as well, just like the main pool does on deck 17, as we showed you already. It also has this really cool retractable roof, so as we mentioned, it's very cold today and it's fantastic in here. Very busy, obviously, with that happening. Also, 2 ping pong tables and 2 foosball tables free of charge to use. First come, first serve. On decks 17 and 18, you're gonna have the adults only Horizon pool here. The pool is actually really good. And from our experience, especially on a cruising with 1,200 kids, this was great. It was empty all the time. It was great to see, and it's a great view and everything. And then off to the left there, you do have a whirlpool, adults only as well, and then a bar. So now let's go show you what we showed you in the title, the water park and ropes course, right above us on deck 19. And on deck 19, first we're going to show you the ropes course here, the sky trail as they like to call it. It just circles around. At some points it comes really close to the edge, it's really cool. And also at some points it comes really low to the water park, which is really cool. You go around twice, you'll encounter 24 different obstacles, so 12 on each loop. There's 2 side by side, so you can go along with a friend and everything. And then on a very, very cold day right now, it's like 30 something degrees, the aqua park still stayed open. But let's go show you it really quickly. But it's a little fun water park here. Has 3 more like family slides. The first thing you do have here is a toilet bowl type slide, which you shoot down and then you loop around and then you exit out the middle. A lot of fun. Here's a look at that going. That's so cool. You do need to sign a waiver to do both the aqua park and SkyTrail completely free. They give you a wristband. You don't have to do that the rest of your sailing. So as long as you do that, it takes care of it. And here it is, the aqua park and a little bit more features. A bunch of little slides for the little toddlers to slide down as well. Got a little lower one here with a little bit of a run out here. And then a wading pool over here that kids can splash around. Lots of interactive elements all over the place, as I said. Really low. That's so crazy. And then, yeah, no one's in the aqua park, but plenty of people are doing the ropes course. So, very neat. This was very busy on the warm days. You also have these little buckets that intermittently dump, or kids can just reach up and dump them themselves. And someday we might be able to give you a tour from the Carnival Mardi Gras, which is back right next to us, who has a roller coaster on board. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, because anytime we go on a cruise ship, we will definitely give you a tour of the water park and some of the attractions on board. Yeah, we're currently docked in Nassau, the Bahamas. There's Atlantis over there, and there's 6 ships here today. Here is where you go up for the water slides. Down that corridor here where you exit out the 2 tube slides is where you sign up for your wristband to sign up that waiver. The first slide we showed you was the space bowl. That's that toilet bowl, and you don't need a tube for that one. Then you have the aqua tube and the constrictor. Those do require tubes, and you just get them at the exit of the slide down that corridor over there. And one of them is really cool because it goes over the side of the cruise ship. Unfortunately, though, inside you can't see that you're off the side of the cruise ship, but you do. It's very neat. And then here's a look inside of the constrictor slide. Go around the curves and you can see this tube slides. The slides themselves get really thick and then you kind of like hump through them. It's really fun. Woo! MSC water slide, constrictor slide. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! As you can see, they're very simple slides. They're only like 20, 30 seconds long because it only does these 2 helixes and that's about it. Because they're only about 20, 30 feet tall. So that's it for the Aqua Park and the SkyTrail section. While we're at it, why don't we show you a little bit of the amusement stuff that kids can do and adults can do down one deck. On deck 16, they have what they call the Amusement Park. You do have a board game share, so you can sign out some board games. That's fun. They have a sports bar for adults. They have a sports court. They do pickleball, basketball, other types of baller sports. And then they have the F1 simulator in the arcade, which is really cool. It's not too expensive. It's a little outdated, in my opinion, considering it is now like 8 years old. The ship was first sailed in 2017, but you can virtually do a few of the F1 tracks.
It's a good look at what the prices might be. They might change per day, per cruise, all that stuff.
And the simulator is actually on a little bit of track, so it moves forwards and backwards, left and right to simulate going around curves, and it seems like mostly crashes, but yeah, very neat. Still gonna crash in this curve. Oh no.
Roller coaster simulator where you're gonna go on very unrealistic roller coasters and be thrown around like crazy. Looks like this one you can also do some control yourself in different modes, as he's got joysticks and stuff. There you go. She does not like it. He's enjoying the heck out of it. Oh boy. Oh, there you go. Upside. Oh, wow. There you go. Like straight. Oh, wow, buddy. What? Yeah, those controls are very, very sensitive. The first of a few arcade games. They do have 2 air hockey, skee ball, all these types of things. While we're here, one deck down, you do have the baby care, the teens club, and the kids club available for your kids as well if you want to get away for a little while. The virtual games arcade, just another small little arcade, has the Star Wars game, Aliens, has some motorcycle games, the air hockey, which seems to be always being played, and that's about it. Also, finally, the gym's down there too, right above the buffet. Perfect location. All right, since I had so much footage from entertainment that I didn't realize I had, why don't we just talk a little bit about some of the entertainment on the ship really quickly as a bonus. We'll go through this really quickly. On decks 6 and 7, you can see the show that's on the ceiling. It's a LED screen, pretty good quality. You know, I think it could be a little bit maybe updated or repaired a little bit in some sections, but otherwise, really cool to see this. They were just a few minute long shows. I think they ran 3 times a day. Definitely download the app. I mean, if you don't have the app on a cruise ship these days, I don't know what you're doing, but they were on our sailings for when they were running. I know somebody else on another MSC recently that they weren't on the app, which is kind of weird, but every day was different. So there were 6 different ones, and then on the last day they kind of showed a best of. So that's a really cool little show. And you can see that from deck 6 or 7. Now from deck 6 is going to be the Broadway theater on the front of the ship, and that's where you're going to see all the free shows, lots of them. We saw everything from comedians to sing and dance to the captains or the hello little thing that they did at the beginning of the cruise. So yeah, that's great. You do need a reservation on the app, and the app does show you how many seats are available. There are also some touch screens around the place that you can do the reservations as well if you don't want to use your phone for some reason. But then up on deck 17 is going to be the Carousel Theater, and we saw 2 shows here. They are a little bit of a charge, they're like $15 or so, but they do include 1 alcoholic drink or mocktail for the kids.
So kind of you're paying for your drink and you get a free show if you want to see it that way. And we saw both shows that were offered. I'll talk about the Houdini show. That one was really cool. We really enjoyed that. It was so good. I almost would have seen it a second time. Be sure to get here early as well for both of these shows if you want a good seat. You know, you're guaranteed to get in, but you're not guaranteed a good seat. So you're gonna have to show up early if you want to, especially for the carousel lounge because it's kind of an odd layout. And if you want a really good centered seat, which there are not many of, you're gonna have to show up very early probably. So yeah, that's the shows. And then just one little bonus thing: if you are sailing to the private island of Ocean Cay, there is a lighthouse show that happens as you're leaving the island at the end of the evening. I don't know what happens during the summer with the long hours, but regardless, during the winter it was great, and you know, it was I don't know, it was like 10-minute long show. It was really great. And our pro tip is that we went really down low where the lifeboats are, and we were able to kind of see it all by ourselves instead of up on the top deck where the pool is and everything, and there were a bunch of people. So it was nice, kind of a private experience, and we liked the view from down below of the lighthouse a little bit more anyways. So yeah, that's it. If you have any other additional questions, be sure to put them in the comments down below. Subscribe, it's free. If you have any other comments, be sure to put them down there and like this video. I really appreciate it. We usually do amusement park and roller coaster stuff, but I figured I'd just show you the water park stuff because we also do that stuff. So it kind of is related to our channel, but just a little bit. But anyways, we had a great sailing on MSC, and we definitely would do MSC again. But there's so many other cruise lines and boats to check out. So I don't know, next time we'll actually sail with them. But regardless, no real big complaints. So thanks for watching. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to go see a full tour of the ship, go check out our friend Legend over at In the Loop. He did a full tour of the ship pretty recently. I'll link it right at the end here and down below. But we just wanted to stick to what we're known for. It's amusement parks, water parks, roller coasters, and everything like that. So that's why we only show you the entertainment portions of it, because we figure there's some people who just want to see that much, and that's it. So thanks once again. Bye.